The Karcher KM70 push sweeper range meets individual customer requirements for professional sweeping tasks. 3 different machines based on one basic model. All KM70 machines have a working width of 70 centimeters. The waste container holds 42 liters. The KM70-15C is the professional entry-level model. The casing and waste container are made of extremely tough, very light and corrosion-resistant plastic. The best preconditions for easy handling and durability. The side brush can be lifted and set in 3 positions. The waste container has a handle for easy emptying. The main sweeper roller rotates when the machine is pushed. It picks up dirt equally well in any direction. All KM70 machines work similar to a dustpan and brush. The waste container is located at the front of the machine and the dirt is swept up just as if it were a dustpan and brush. Large wheels enable the machine to be transported over stairs. A handle at the front of the machine makes lifting easy. The push handle can be adjusted to suit the user's body height. The handle can also be folded down and the machine placed upright for space-saving storage. The KM70-20C offers additional equipment. It's also available with a second side brush. This increases the sweeping width to 920 millimeters. Both side brushes can be folded upwards and are adjustable. This makes it easier to clean up to racking and curbs, and the side brushes can be adjusted to compensate for wear. The contact pressure of the roller brush can be adjusted with the yellow lever depending on the surface. An optional hard roller brush can be used for stubborn dirt. An additional foam filter reduces airborne dust while sweeping. The top-of-the-range model KM70-30C BP has an active fine dust filter system with flat pleated filter if required. This makes the KM70-30C BP ideal for dusty outdoor jobs and quick cleaning of areas like warehouses or sports halls. The filter is easy to clean using the scraper. All sweeping functions can be selected via the Easy Operation switch. The main sweeper roller and the side brush of the KM70-30C BP are battery powered. This makes pushing and handling easier. The permanently rotating side brush enables easy sweeping up to edges. The optional litter picker makes it easier to pick up and dispose of larger or difficult to sweep objects. Minimal maintenance, robustness, maneuverability and user-friendliness are the main attributes of Karcher KM70 push sweepers.